Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video I will show you how to add page in PDF file. So let's get started without wasting any more time. First of all, link in the description, go to that website and you will end up having a web page like this. First I am showing you that I have two files like this PDF file and the second one like this. So first thing first, you have Word file or JPG file or a photo image, you need to convert those things as a PDF. Alright, if you don't know how to convert a Word file or image file or anything to a PDF, I have dedicated video on that. You will see on the icon. Then you will convert those pages as PDF. Alright, first you need to add those pages as PDF, then you will end up having two PDFs, alright, or multiple. After that you need to go to the link on the description and you will end up having this page, and now you need to select the both PDFs, alright, or the multiple PDFs you have just created. So I will go with this like that and again like that. Alright, select those PDFs accordingly that you needings. Alright, I will go like this. If you do not post it like accordingly, you need to rearrange it like this, drag and drop, and you will end it up like this. And again just tap on the merge PDF and then download the PDF. Let's just save it and open it real quick. And as you can see, the page has been added without any software, without help of any software. It is a very simple and quick process. So thank you so much for watching.